Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to clear your cookies and cache in Mozilla Firefox. Now to do this, you will have to open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once you have the Firefox, you will have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your Firefox browser and then click on History. Once you're on the History sections, choose the option which says Clear Recent History. Under the options choose since when you want to clear the history. In case if you want to clear all the history, you can choose everything, or else if you want to clear the history for last hour, 2 hour or 4 hours, you can choose these options respectively. Now for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose everything. Once you're on this, you will see options to go ahead and clear the history, cookies and temporary cache files. So you can choose all the options whichever are available here and then click on clear. Once this is done, you may go ahead and close the Firefox and then try to open. That should clear the cookies. Now Firefox also has a startup cache that stores certain temporary data to improve startup speed. Clearing the startup cache and then restarting the Firefox can resolve various issues with the Firefox user interface. This will not change your profile data or an add-on. To do this, you will have to click on the menu here at the top right corner and then click on help. Once you're on the help menu, you will have to select more troubleshooting information. Once you're on this information, under try clearing the startup cache, you can use the option which says clear startup cache. Click on restart, and once you restart your Firefox, that should clear your cookies and cache on your Firefox on your computer. So this should definitely solve most of your issues. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.